Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been more than a month from my DIY TCA cross, but for today's video, I will be doing a micro needling using Banisher 2.0. But before that, I will exfoliate my skin first using Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. So this is optional and not advisable for everyone. Alright, so here I am applying a thin layer of the product using a brush all over my face. So this product is good if you have whiteheads and blackheads and even with active breakouts. And it can also lighten dark marks, dark spots, or hyperpigmentation. And everyone, if you want to also use this product, you may feel a mild tingling sensation, which is normal. That's why I also would suggest to only apply a thin layer on your skin. And this product can only be used 1 to 3 times a week. And leave the mask on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with water. Alright, so here I already washed my face and then I will now start micro needling using Banisher 2.0. And this is the tool look. So first, I need to disinfect the tool first for 5 minutes using 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol. But here, I am using 70% alcohol. And actually, this is the nice thing about the Banisher 2.0. It has its own cup where you can disinfect the tool. Alright, but anyway, so I already starting here with my micro needling. And on how to use it, so you just need to press the Banisher tool 3 to 5 times on each area, and then you need to lift the Banisher up before pressing it down. But me, what I'm doing is I'm pressing the tool and then lift it up and then rotate it 90 degrees before pressing the tool down again. And also I'm pressing it 5 times on my skin or on my scars. And by the way, everyone, so I will not do my another session yet of the IYTCA cross because I need to wait for my hyperpigmentation from my previous session to, fade first. That's why I am doing my micro needling now, because aside from it is a treatment for acne scars and also will help to boost your collagen production, it will also help to fade your hyperpigmentation, or if you have dark marks, dark spots, or pimple marks. And by the way, everyone, if you want to also try Banish products, you may just visit their website www.banish.com, and you may also use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above, or you can just click the link on the description box of this video. And also, everyone, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. That would help me a lot. And especially, I want to say thank you for all of my supporters. Thank you so much. Alright, so going back on the video, so this is how my skin look after the procedure. So first, I'll be using the Dermo Republic serum. So this is a 2% alpha arbutin plus niacinamide and also hyaluronic acid. So I am only applying it on those areas that I have hyperpigmentation. Yes, so the main purpose of this procedure is to help the hyperpigmentation on my skin to fade faster. Alright, and then next, of course, I'll be using the Banish serum, which is vitamin C and E, which is a dark spot corrector. So this product is mainly to boost your collagen production for our scars or acne scars to improve, and also, of course, for hyperpigmentation. Alright, so that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.